Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step through installing a motorized roller cassette shade as an outside mount. First, here's everything you'll want to have ready. A drill with a Phillips head or SQ2 bit, a Phillips screwdriver, tape measure, level, and a pencil. Next, let's quickly review what comes in the box. You should have 2 to 3 mounting brackets depending on the width of your shade, screws and anchors, and the roller cassette shade itself. Before we install anything, let's confirm this is an outside mount. That means the brackets will attach to the wall or trim above your window opening, not inside the window frame. For this installation, we are doing a trim mount. Next, hold the roller shade up to confirm the placement of your shade set. Once it looks centered, use your pencil to lightly mark the left and right ends of where the valance will sit. Next, use your measuring tape on the left side of the window frame and measure 12 inches from the outside edge of the window frame. Then, lightly mark a small line with your pencil. Then, repeat this step on the right side of the window frame. Then, secure each bracket with the included screws and tighten until firmly in place. With all the brackets now installed, place a level along them to ensure they are level. If needed, make small adjustments until the level is fully balanced. With both brackets now level, lift the shade up to the brackets and seat the shade into place by pressing the shade down until it fully locks into the brackets. Now give the shade a gentle pull to confirm it's secure and doesn't shift. Congratulations! You've completed the installation. If you need help pairing and programming your shade, watch our step-by-step videos for the Remote Plus and the Motion Blinds app.